A new myth bites the dust as the episode investigates whether yawning actually boosts alertness or is just contagious sleepiness. In a controlled setup, volunteers perform a monotonous task with opportunities to yawn freely, while their reaction times and vigilance are measured before and after yawns. The data show no consistent spike in performance post-yawns, suggesting yawning is more about brain cooling and social signaling than a reliable pick-me-up. Scientists explain brain temperature dynamics, why yawns spread, and what truly improves alertness like light, caffeine, and short activity breaks. The takeaway is simple and testable. For real wakefulness, rely on evidence-backed methods rather than the urge to yawn.